Have you been looking for the right trading strategy to make money with options? Come closer, as I will be sharing some valuable insight about option trading with you. So, if you've ever dreamed of achieving financial success and freedom, even as a beginner, then options trading might just be the perfect opportunity for you. Now, let's start by introducing the concept of options trading and why it's so lucrative, especially in the current market landscape of 2024. Options trading allows you to leverage your investments and potentially earn significant profits within a short period of time. However, before you jump into the world of options trading, it's important to address some common misconceptions and risks that often deter people from getting started. Many believe that options trading is too complex or risky, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate these challenges successfully. Options trading can be a lucrative way to make money if you understand the fundamentals and adopt a disciplined approach. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners to help you get started with options trading in 2024. Step 1. Understand the basics of options. 1.1. What are options? Definition. Options are financial derivatives that give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a specified price before a certain date. Types of options. Call options give you the right to buy an asset at a specified price. Put options give you the right to sell an asset at a specified price. 1.2 Key terms. Strike price, the specified price at which an option can be exercised. Expiration date, the date by which the option must be exercised. Premium, the price you pay to buy the option. In the money, ITM, when the option strike price is favorable compared to the market price. Out of the money, OTM, when the option strike price is not favorable compared to the market price. At the money, ATM, when the option strike price is equal to the market price. Step 2. Learn the risks and rewards. 2.1 Potential rewards. Leverage. Options allow you to control a large amount of the underlying asset with a relatively small investment. Profit potential. The potential for high returns if the market moves in your favor. Flexibility. Options can be used for speculation, hedging, or generating income. 2.2 Potential risks. Loss of premium. If the option expires worthless, you lose the premium paid. Complexity. Options trading can be complex and requires a good understanding of the market. Time decay. The value of options decreases as the expiration date approaches. Step 3. Choose a brokerage and open an account. 3.1 Selecting a brokerage. Reputation. Choose a well-established and reputable brokerage. Fees. Compare commission rates and fees for options trading. Tools and resources. Look for brokerages that offer educational resources, trading tools, and research reports. 3.2 Open an account application. Complete the brokerage application process. Approval. Wait for approval, as some brokerages require verification of your trading experience and financial status. Step 4. Develop a trading strategy. 4.1 Basic strategies. Buying calls. Buy call options if you believe the price of the underlying asset will rise. Buying puts. Buy put options if you believe the price of the underlying asset will fall. 4.2 Advanced strategies. Covered calls. Own the underlying asset and sell call options to generate income. Protective puts. Buy puts to protect against a decline in the value of the underlying asset. Spreads. Combine multiple options to create a position with defined risk and reward. Step 5. Research and analyze. 5.1 Fundamental analysis. Company financials. Study the financial health of the company behind the underlying asset. Market trends. Analyze market trends and economic indicators that could impact the asset's price. 5.2 Technical analysis. Charts and patterns. Use charts to identify price patterns and trends. Indicators. Utilize technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Step 6. Execute your trades. 6.1 Placing an order. Order type. Decide whether to place a market order, executed immediately at the current price, or a limit order, executed at a specific price. Quantity. Determine the number of options contracts to trade. 6.2 Monitor and adjust. Track performance. Monitor your trades and the performance of the underlying asset. Adjust strategy. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market conditions and the performance of your trades. Step 7. Manage your risks. 7.1 Risk Management Techniques. Position sizing. Limit the size of each trade to a small percentage of your total portfolio. Stop-loss orders. Set stop-loss orders to automatically sell options if the price moves against you. 7.2 Diversification. Variety of assets. Diversify your options trades across different assets to reduce risk. Different strategies. Use a mix of strategies to balance risk and reward. Step 8. Learn from experience and keep educating yourself. 8.1 Review trades post-trade analysis. Review your trades to understand what worked and what didn't. Learning from mistakes. Learn from your mistakes and refine your strategies. 8.2 Continuous education books and courses. Read books and take courses on options trading. Webinars and seminars. Attend webinars and seminars to stay updated on the latest strategies and market trends. Finally, options trading can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it requires knowledge, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. By understanding the basics, assessing risks and rewards, choosing the right brokerage, developing a trading strategy, conducting thorough research, executing trades carefully, managing risks, and continuously learning, you can increase your chances of success in the options market. Start your options trading journey in 2024 with confidence and a clear plan, and you may find yourself on the path to financial success. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to explore more about options trading on our channel. Subscribe for future updates on trading tips and strategies, and don't forget to share your trading experiences in the comments below. Together, let's embark on this journey to financial freedom through options trading in 2024. Also, pick one from the videos that I have prepared for you to get more tips about financial education. Thanks, and see you in the next video.